Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically all you have to do is to find the app which is pre-installed by the developer, which is called Security. So for sure you've got one, just find it and open it. Then go to Security Scan. And now your device will scan itself in order to find any kind of malware or viruses. As you can see, it will scan payment environment, privacy and security, and will look for virus. And basically, after the full scan, it will show you the results. Preferably, everything looks good, like in my case, but if your device will find any kind of malware or viruses, it will show you the information about it, and also suggest you the steps which you can take in order to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.